Hello everyone. Today's date is 12 December 2021. I am Amal Ankush Wagmare. Today I have discussed topic of string buffer and string builder in Java. First one discuss about string buffer. That is what is string buffer? Uh, Methods of a string buffer, syntax of string buffer, then advantages of string buffer, and then string builder. So first one, what is string buffer? String buffer is a pair of string that provides much functionality of string. It is mutable. Mutable means we have create a first string object and changes with new adding new keywords in object that uh, output will be changes. A string buffer represents as a growable and writable character sequence. Then discuss about methods of string buffer. First one, string buffer dot append. In append method, we have adding the two strings. Second one is insert method. In insert method, we use to insert the some value in string. Then third one, replace method. In replace method, we have replace the value in start index to end index. Then fourth one, delete method. In delete method, we have first put the start index, and second end index, then delete then return the delete values, delete the strings. Then fifth one, reverse method. In reverse method, we have reverse the strings. Capacity method. In capacity method, the return the capacity of strings. And then caret index. In caret index, we have input index value, then output will be index character. Then uh, length method. In length method is used to return the length of all string. Then substring. Uh, Substring is used to return the substring value in here. Then discover about what is mutable string. A string can modified or unchanged is known as mutable string. String buffer and string builder are the mutable string. Then discuss about syntax of string buffer. First one, string buffer, then string name, then is equal to new string buffer keyword, then string literal. Then advantages of string buffer. Advantage of string buffer. The string buffer class is used to represent character that can be modified. The string buffer is faster than string when performing simple concatenations. Then example of string buffer. First one, create the string buffer. Then string buffer name means yes is equal to new string buffer. Then literal value, that is Java. Then append the value. Then second one, yes dot append, then Java. Then value will be adding. Then discuss about string builder. First one, what is string builder? Second, advantages of string buffer. And third one, syntax of string builder. Then example of string builder. First one, what is string builder? The string builder in Java represent mutable sequence of characters. String builder class provides alternative string class as its mutable sequence of character. Then syntax of string builder is string builder uh, dot string name is equal to new keyword dot string builder then string literal. Then discuss about difference between string buffer and string builder. It is string buffer is synchronized. Then string builder is unsynchronized. It has in string buffer is a thread shape. In string builder is a non not thread shape. Then third point, in a string buffer, two threads can't call the methods of string buffer simultaneously. In string builder, have two methods cause the simultaneously. And then string buffer is less efficient than a string builder. String builder has more efficient than string buffer. Uh, string buffer is introduced in Java 1.0 and string builder is introduced by in 1.5 Java 1.5. Thank you.